Then you just have to go straight down. Southern Sonder, blue. Then I'll give you my poles, but I'm going straight. You basically have to stay crouched the entire time if you can. Oh yes. Oh yes, there we go. That's perfect. Alright, I'm probably gonna cut this part of the video out. See what I mean? Why you have to go straight? Alright, I'm gonna piss myself, so we get to the base, I have to like actually go to the bathroom, so yeah, just like I gotta go to the bathroom, that's all I'm gonna say. Alrighty. Flat as shit, guys. Sorry if I'm like here, you want my poles? Sure. Sorry if I'm like leaving you behind, but like I don't want to get stuck in a flat section. What? Alright, so I'm just gonna, we're actually almost there. Seven. Oh, buddy. There you go. Yeah, perfect. Bomb, 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 bomb. Crouch, guys, crouch. Oh, almost there. There you go. S, start small. M, make a plan. A, always look. R, respect. And T, take it easy. Be smart, park. Be park smart. Be park smart. There it is, Southern Sonder double. We rode that in another video. Freaking old, slow lift. Check out that video on my channel. Got that right there.
Step over Christmas. Yo, what's up, buddy?
Welcome. We're back at South, guys. Oh, it's good to be back. I like South. Bakersfield. Park, park, park. Let's just talk schedule of what we're doing upcoming. This Sunday, Monday, we might be going skiing at Shawnee. Every few weekends, we will be going to Bel Air, so just like a day trip. Super Bowl weekend, we have a big gore trip with a bunch of families that we are friends with. There's Carson. And then 2 weeks after Super Bowl is our trip to Whiteface. That trail's flat. All right, let's do the other two we didn't do down here. We'll do gully and tailspin. We made it back. What? Only a little bit. She like weigh me down. Oh my Lord. What? You weigh me down a lot. That's true. That is true. Alrighty. Let's go left. We haven't done left yet. Yeah, we'll do gully. Gully, Blue Terrain Park. I love South. Holy! Oh! That was fun. Yeah, I like Bakersfield more. I like Bakersfield more. Let's go left again. We haven't done tailspin yet. Tailspin, Blue Terrain Park. Go left, go left. You did a jump? Watch out, Hoy, watch out. I'm gonna hit this jump, watch out. That was not good at all, I don't know why. Yeah, Carson? Oh! You good? Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna go to the base because I gotta go pee. We will see more Carson later. Holy shit, that was fucking bad.